That's really fantastic, Jeff. And I would imagine that if we're training people in their junior and senior year to specifically be, say, EMTs, there's got to be some hands-on learning involved there. They're probably doing some things that don't just look like sitting at a desk and reading a textbook, right?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, the cool part about digital learning is that you can actually, there's some great platforms out there that you can do virtual dissections and
Wow.
simulations. And so, as Des mentioned, HOSA, I'm a national lieutenant for them as well and help put on their national conference. There's some great opportunities that we see that kids can do digital stuff that you can actually, I never saw until I was in college. But then also too is that you have all sorts of mannequins and other opportunities. So we can train phlebotomy technicians, so they get the arms and they can practice because they're not allowed to use the real arms in high school.
Well, that's probably
But
good.
it's probably good, right? And so, but the cool part is that we have some of our freshman programs actually have kids working and using the phlebotomy arms. And so I think that's the cool part about the simulations and also some of these models that we have out there is that they can get that experience before and see if it's something they enjoy before they even graduate from high school.